This tool is going to change the way we think, and it's going to change the way we search the internet. It's called Perplexity AI, and it's far better than ChatGPT, and it's way better than Gemini. Hello everyone, and welcome back in today's video. I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Perplexity. So let's get into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into perplexity.ea. So this is the home page. As you can see, you have here various information and various options that you have just to click over it, and you can click over here and you get your answers. So we have here the first thing. It's Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited pro search, upgraded EA models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and API credits. So we have your standard and it starts for free, no credit card needed, free forever, and we have you continue with free, unlimited quick searches, 5 pro searches per day, standard Perplexity AI model optimized for speed and quality, and we have create a profile to personalize your answers. So if you come back to the home here and you ask something, for example, how to earn money on Perplexity, and you click over here, you'll find these things. The first thing we have here sources. So if you click here, you'll find here we have 8 sources how to earn money on Perplexity. So we have the first one on YouTube, how to make money with Perplexity AI for beginners in 2024. So you can just click over it and you get your answer. Then we have here make money with Perplexity AI for beginners in 2024. We have YouTube, and then we have a look in the potential earn money with Perplexity.ea, chatbot, Jollify.ea, and we have here 3 ways to make money with Perplexity AI in 2024. Have a YouTube. We have here 3 steps to passive income with Perplexity AI EA businesses plans, and we have here the 6th one, get paid per click with Perplexity AI. So we have here YouTube. Then we have here how does Perplexity.ea make money. I can't find anything about it, and we have here Reddit. We have here introducing the Perplexity Publishers program. We have here Perplexity. So we have also here answer. So here we have there are several effective ways to earn money using Perplexity EA, a conversational search engine that provides accurate and concise responses based on reliable internet sources. Here are some of the primary methods. We have your freelance opportunities such as content creation, proofreading, and editing. You have your content monetization such as YouTube channel and online courses, and then we have passive income strategies like affiliate marketing, ad revenue through content. So this is how you can earn money on Perplexity. Also we have here videos, as you can see, and also we have images, and if you scroll down we have here related to the same subject, which is earn money on Perplexity. So let's come back to the home. So right now I will give you 2 ways how to earn money on Perplexity. The first is offering expert consulting and advisory services. Then we have creating and sell educational content. Then we have creating and sell educational content, and the last one we have it's developing and offering tools or apps. So about the first one, you can on Perplexity you can earn money by offering expert consulting and advisory services through a well-crafted profile that attracts clients. Monetize your expertise by providing valuable tailored insights and charging for personalized consultation. So let's go to the first website. Here we have Upwork. So to earn money on Perplexity using Upwork, promote your Upwork consultant services on Perplexity to attract clients, leverage your expertise to offer valuable advice, and convert Perplexity interactions into Upwork projects. Then we have also LinkedIn. So to earn money on Perplexity using LinkedIn, showcase your consulting expertise on LinkedIn and direct your network to Perplexity for additional insights. Use LinkedIn to attract clients and drive traffic to your Perplexity profile for paid advisory services. Then we have The second way, which is earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content. So we have developed high quality, informative material tailored to your niche. Offer these resources to Perplexity by providing access or exclusive content for a fee, attracting users interested in specialized knowledge. So the first website we have here is udemy.com. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Udemy. First, develop and publish comprehensive courses on Udemy that showcase your expertise. Promote these courses on Perplexity by providing value-driven previews or insights, encouraging users to explore your full content on Udemy. Then we have the second one, which is Amazon. So to earn money on Perplexity by creating and selling educational content on Amazon, publish ebooks or guides that leverage your expertise. Promote these materials on Perplexity by offering valuable excerpts or insights, driving users to purchase your full content on Amazon. So I will give you right now the third step, which is earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps. So create innovative solutions that address specific user needs or challenges. Promote these tools or apps on Perplexity by highlighting their benefits and functionalities, encouraging users to purchase or subscribe for enhanced features. So we have the first website, which is App Store. To earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on the App Store. Create valuable and user-friendly applications tailored to specific needs. Promote your app on Perplexity by showcasing its unique features and benefits, driving traffic and potential downloads from interested users. Then we have Product Hunt. To earn money on Perplexity by developing and offering tools or apps on Product Hunt, launch your product and highlight its key features and benefits. Promote your product and launch on Perplexity to attract early adopters and drive interest, increasing visibility and potential sales. So to earn money on Perplexity or similar platforms, focus on creating valuable content and engaging actively with the community. Understand the platform's monetization options and tailor your content to meet user needs. Build your reputation by being responsive and involved. Stay informed about platform updates and trends to refine your strategy. Success typically involves persistence and continuous adaptations. So this is how it works with Perplexity, and you can also click over here to know more information. So we have here focus also like writing, academic, video, math, social, and also if you click over here and you get pro, our most powerful search ideal for longer answers to complex questions. So you can just switch on here and you'll find other things. Then you have your healthiest cooking oils, tax savings ideas, best coffee shops to work from in Paris, market size of the creator economy. So this is how it works with Perplexity. You can just get started right now and you can earn money with it. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.